Rest in peace!
So hello guys, today we are going to learn how to use background image as HTML website background. So let's get started. First we will go to our desktop and then we will open and then we will create a new folder. So I have my image already here. I will share the image link in the description box or else you can take any image you want. Then we will go to the Visual Studio Code and then open that folder in which the image is there. So I will open this folder. Wait, wait. See, here is the folder image. So I will open this. So here is my image. It came. So now I'll create a new file named index.html and then create it. So now we will write the basic HTML and then name the document as anything you want, background image like something. And then now we will delete this body tag and write a style in body and then this bracket. Here we will write space. We will write a background image. Wait, background image. Now we will write a URL and then here we will write the name of the image. Like my image name is naruto.jpg. Write here naruto.jpg. Done. Or else you can copy and paste it. Yes. Now then, background repeat and repeat. You will set to no repeat. Then background attachment. It would be fixed. Then background size would be 100%. Then again 100% for length and red both. And then it is over. Then style close. It close. And we can okay done. Then we will start this. We'll launch in Chrome. See, as I told, it came. So this was the tutorial how to use the background image as HTML. Thank you.